So you found TAME. Let's get you set up. Hi, I'm Mark Balser, Chief Architect of TAME. Here I'll show you how to sign up for TAME, to install our apps, to try some samples, and to share your results in your online workspace. Everything I describe here can also be found in the installation guide located at the link in the description. On the TAME homepage, click Register. Enter your email address and check the box to tell us that you're not a robot. Review the terms of service and the support procedures, and then click Register. To complete your registration, you'll need to confirm your email. Check your email and be sure to look in your spam and your junk folders. When you find the email, click Here. Really, right on the word Here. And then re-enter your email and select a password. Remember, a good password is 6 or more characters with a mix of lowercase, capitals, symbols, and numbers. Then give us your name, company name, and phone number, and that's if you want to. Once you're registered, log in. And from here, you can create projects or download templates and apps. We'll start by installing the TAME runner. This is what you'll need to view the tests generated by TAME and to run those tests using Selenium WebDrivers. Click on the TAME runner icon. Save the runner installer, or depending upon how your browser is set up to handle downloads, just run the installer directly from your browser. The first dialog asks you to confirm that you want to install the TAME runner. Click Install to start the installation. Now, once the installation is complete, you'll be asked for a license key. Go back to the Downloads webpage and copy the 5 lines of your license key. The easiest way to do that is to click the clipboard icon. Go back to the license dialog and paste your key. And now the runner is ready. If you have Microsoft Excel installed, you can add a tab to Excel to make writing, generating, and running tests easy. Back on the Downloads page, click the Excel tab icon. Download and run the installer. By the way, as you do these installations, you might be prompted to install the .NET framework. Go ahead and approve it. Now, the rest of this installation is similar to the TAME runner. Now, when you start Excel, you should see the TAME tab like this. To get started, I recommend that you first open and run one of our samples. You'll find these by going to the Samples tab. The demo I'll show you is the TAME login demo. Click the Excel icon to download the workbook. Now open the workbook. I assume you've already downloaded and installed the Excel TAME tab. Take a look at the login page worksheet. This is really the core of the test. You can see the different input choices, environment conditions, expected results, and values. You can explore the sample in detail in the introductory video, More Tests, Not More Work. I'll click the Generate Test button, and the test cases open up in the TAME viewer. Scroll through to see the details of each of the tests. Because the workbook also has automation instructions, those are on the Run tab, you can hit the Run button and bring up the tests in the TAME runner. I'll close the workbook just to make the desktop a little neater. Note that when the runner is opened, all the test cases are selected along with the default browser and the default size. And now I'll hit the Run button. The runner minimizes down to the little progress dialog in the lower right corner. This tracks all of the test cases as the instructions are executed. The green bar counts off the test cases and stays green as long as everything is passing. When all the tests complete, the runner comes back. Now you see a status line at the bottom listing the number of tests that are passing, failing, and not run. Double-click the status line to open the log. This shows all the tests, steps, and instructions just as before, but it also shows whether the instructions passed or failed and how long each instruction took to run. There's also a screen snapshot from each instruction where the target of the instruction is marked in blue. When you want to share your results with your team, you'll need to create a project. Click the Projects menu. Then click the Create button. On the pop-up, name the project and give a short description. Then click Create. I'll go into the project now. First, I'll upload the workbook by dragging it to the drop zone. Notice that this creates the same TAME file, the same generated tests, as I created using the Excel tab. If you aren't running Excel on a Windows machine, for example, if you're using OpenOffice or you're running on a Mac, this is how you can generate your test cases. You can see how I click the title and see the test cases. Now I have some results up on my project website. Finally, you might want to create your own TAME workbook. For that, start from a template. The first time you use a template, you may have to go find the template in your personal templates. Click it, and you've created a new TAME workbook. Now, for a complete start-to-finish example, you might want to check out our intro video and download the accompanying tutorial. You can tame the software testing beast. For more information, visit us at tame.dev.